Hi, everybody, and happy Friday, last day of the week. Let's talk about options. So usually I don't like to trade options. The premiums are too big. I have some friends who actually sell the options. They take the premiums. I think that's a better business. But I do use options to protect myself when I'm in long positions or short positions, and I'm worried about the risk, the overnight risk. Some news will come out and stock will fall out of bed. Um, but on Fridays, I think sometimes there is an advantage to trading options. Options expire usually on the third Friday of any given month. That's triple witching Friday, triple witching, we call that. That's on the third Friday of the month. But there are also options that expire on a weekly basis. Okay, so technically you have options that expire every single week. Now, I'm going to show you how you could use options on Friday without using it as protection. Just some good trading calls that you could actually make. And you could use options in order to make some money. It's a bit of a gamble because options in itself, I believe, are pretty much a casino. But let's take a look when it's worth it to look at options. All right. So as we can see right here, IBM, showing you IBM. IBM options are priced pretty low. Sometimes you can find options that are priced pretty low, especially on expiration day. If you're looking at IBM, you're looking at a 10-day chart on a 1 hour time frame. So every bar is 1 hour, and you can see a upward trend. Okay. The last high was right here, 199.18. They broke that yesterday. They went all the way up to 201.12. It's the end of the week. The S&P isn't doing too well right now, but right now the S&P happens to be at support, short-term support. We'll see if we could go up from there. The RSI in the 15-minute looks like it hit support levels also, and we had some good fundamental data today. So things should be pointing to go upwards. Looking at the options, IBM is right now 199.39. To get to 201 is not that far off, right? To get back up to the high of the day, if the market goes up. $200 calls are trading for 23 cents. Now, what happens is you're paying $23 per contract. That's 100 shares. But every single dollar that the stock is going above 200, you're going to actually make $1, right? So if we go from 200 to 201, you're going to be making $100 while you risked $24. Anything above 201, you're still going to make money. So technically, you're gambling because options are gambling. $24, $23 if you believe IBM is going to continue going up. Now, you could buy 100 shares of IBM, but if you want to buy a whole bunch of IBM and you see a trend starting to develop, you're trading IBM, you see the trend is developing, and you know you want to buy some more because you see the market makers buying this stock and this thing is going up and everybody's just buying this thing. Jump into the options if it's expiration date, because that will actually give you crazy leverage. Okay. Look at the 2025. And this happened to me once about a month ago where I started buying. I was like, man, okay, this is crazy. I got to take some options because I don't have any more buying power to buy the stock. And I bought it and it went, and then I realized it's just going up and up and up. I was like, you know what? The 202 is trading for 2 cents at $20 for 1,000 shares from getting 10 lot. And lo and behold, went up another $2. I got rid of the original 10 lot that I bought at, let's say it was 195 and it went up to 197. I got rid of the 195s, but I'm now holding 197 calls. So it's pretty interesting when you could get them priced low and your stock is trading, options are trading on what I call a discount to what it usually normally trades during the week, because the time value has dissipated. We're done with the week, right? So we are now able to trade this option without paying for the time value. We just have this one day, and that's why the option is much cheaper, as opposed to if I'm looking at these September 6 ones on the 200, they want $1.43 for them. So I hope you understood how this works. Enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to learn how to trade or if you need some help, GalTrades.com. Everyone have an amazing weekend.